Don't push the button.
Hey guys, it's me, Nessa, and today I'm going to be reading Don't Push the Button by Bill Cotter. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. It does look pretty nice though. I wonder what would happen if we did push it. No, we can't. We mustn't. Psst, no one is looking. You should give the button one little push. Ah, I'm yellow. Push it again. Eek, now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. Now there's two of me. Push it a bunch of times. Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Almost. A little more. Okay, there we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. Hee, that tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push the button again. It was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. The end. Yay! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the like button. Mwah! Creative questions! What do you think will happen if Larry pushes the button again? What do you think will happen if you press the button? What do you think will happen if your pet pressed the button? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.